Welcome to the uKnowva HRMS setup tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your company information. Go to the top navigation bar and click the gear icon to open the Setup Your Account page. In the Set Company Information section, you'll input essential details. Some fields, like organization name and employee strength, are pre-filled based on your instant setup. To update these, click the respective field and make changes. Add your organization's address in the provided field. Select your industry sector from the drop-down menu. Ensure to use accurate information, as these details appear in reports, payroll, and compliance documents. Click Choose File to upload your organization's logo. Ensure the file is in JPEG or PNG format. Once uploaded, a preview of the logo will appear. If you upload the wrong logo, click the bin delete icon to remove it. Re-upload the correct logo using Choose File and verify the preview. Scroll down to the Theme Settings section and click to expand it. Customize the colors. Left menu background color, primary button color, left menu link color, secondary button color. Ensure to use your organization's brand colors to enhance employee recognition and engagement. Once done, click Next to save your changes and move to the next setup step. And that's it! You've successfully set up your company information in uKnowva HRMS. Stay tuned for the next steps in the setup journey.